Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph guys. And this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Guys, the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.219857 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Hedera Hashgraph. And on the other hand, if you look the changes occur in the Hbar, so you can see here my friends the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph is positive every time. Betting token in Hedera Hashgraph every time I found positive. You can see here my friends, that's really good idea for all of you to invest now in Hedera Hashgraph because the whole chain is positive. Guys, let me show you the price chart and let's do a technical analysis for some time. Now guys, from the 20th July, the price of Hedera Hashgraph is now a trending coin and the price is increasing every day. Every hour, every day, the price of the Hedera Hashgraph is increasing, and you can see 29.85% the price increased just in the last 1 month. 22.01 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market. And you know what guys, the future of the Hedera Hashgraph is bright. I'm sure the BTT token and Hbar Hedera Hashgraph future is bright because from the July I found these two coin in the market always positive. So that's why I'm talking about the future of Hedera Hashgraph is bright. Anyways, what do you think about that? And how do you feel today about Hedera Hashgraph? Also tell me in the comment box. Guys, so due to these changes on the basis of current updates, I recommend for all of you to buy now Hedera Hashgraph if you want to profit. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.